This video presents the top 10 high dividend yield stocks that are recommended for investment in April 2023. These stocks have been carefully selected based on their potential for providing attractive returns to investors. The selection process has taken into consideration various factors to ensure that only the most promising stocks are included in the list. Investors who are interested in high dividend yield stocks may find this information useful for making informed investment decisions. 3M Company. 3M, operating since 1902, has about 92,000 employees and is divided into safety and industrial, transportation and electronics, and healthcare and consumer segments. The company offers an attractive dividend yield of 5.91%, indicating potential for dividend enhancements with a payout ratio of 59.01%. 3M's dividend growth rate over the past decade is 9.52%. 20.19% higher than the sector median, making it an appealing choice for dividend income and growth investors. Furthermore, the company's P/E ratio of 11.85 is currently undervalued by 34.68% compared to the sector median. Verizon Communications. Verizon, the New York-based integrated telecommunications services company, was founded in 1983 and has a current market capitalization of $156.95 billion with 117,100 employees. Its P/E ratio of 8.10, high dividend yield of 6.98% and relatively low payout ratio of 50% make it a top pick for high dividend yield stocks to buy in April 2023. Additionally, Verizon's valuation stands significantly lower than that of its industry peers, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and BCE. AbbVie. AbbVie, a global biotech company founded in 2012, boasts a market capitalization of $273.97 billion. With a dividend yield of 3.81%, 5-year dividend growth rate of 16.92%, payout ratio of 41.41%, and attractive valuation, P/E non-GAAP ratio of 14.14, it makes my list of top high dividend yield companies for April 2023. AbbVie's excellent position within its industry is further evidenced by its high EBIT margin of 38.97%. Compared to its competitors, AbbVie's dividend growth 5-year of 16.92% surpasses Amgen at 10.76% and Gilead Sciences at 6.66%. U.S. Bancorp. U.S. Bancorp's dividend yield of 5.48% surpasses J.P. Morgan, dividend yield of 3.15%, and Bank of America, 3.26%, and is competitive with Canadian competitor Bank of Montreal, 4.98%. The company's revenue growth rate of 9.88% and average revenue growth rate over the past 5 years of 3.24% indicate promising growth potential. The Seeking Alpha dividend grades rate U.S. Bancorp highly for dividend income and growth, with an A- for dividend consistency, a B+ for dividend safety and yield, and a C+ for dividend growth. However, for those seeking a bank with a higher market capitalization and more diversified risk, J.P. Morgan may be a better choice. Altria. Altria is a top pick for high dividend yield stocks in April 2023, with attractive valuation, high profitability, and high dividend yield. Its 5-year dividend growth rate is significantly higher than competitors such as British American Tobacco and Philip Morris International. Additionally, Altria has shown 53 consecutive years of dividend growth and has significantly increased its EBIT margin over the past decade, indicating its financial strength and competitive position within the industry. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is one of my top 10 high dividend yield picks for April 2023 due to its exceptional profitability, indicated by its high EBITDA margin and A credit rating by Moody's. It also offers an attractive dividend yield, with room for future enhancements, and has a long track record of dividend growth. With a low beta and undervalued P/E ratio, Johnson & Johnson can help reduce risk and volatility in your investment portfolio. The Toronto-Dominion Bank. Toronto-Dominion Bank, founded in 1855 and with 99,999 employees, has a market cap of $103.10 billion and an attractive valuation, with a P/E ratio of 10.15, 12.92% below its 5-year average. It outperforms its Canadian and U.S. competitors with the highest revenue growth rate of 7.09%. With a high dividend yield of 5.01%, 32.97% above the sector median, it is a top high dividend yield stock to buy in April 2023. Total Energies. Total Energies is a French global oil and gas company founded in 1924, with a current market capitalization of $142.07 billion and 101,309 employees. It offers an attractive dividend yield of 5.17%, which is 31.23% above the sector median. Total Energies' P/E ratio of 5.09 is 34.6% below the sector median, indicating that the company is currently undervalued. Additionally, the company's dividend yield is higher than its European and U.S. competitors, such as Shell, BP, ExxonMobil, and Chevron, making it a good buy. Mercedes-Benz Group AG. Mercedes-Benz Group, founded in 1886 and with a market capitalization of $82.02 billion, offers a high dividend yield of 7.29% and an attractive average dividend growth rate over the past 5 years of 11.54%. Its relatively low payout ratio of 39.67% indicates that there is plenty of room for future dividend enhancements. With a P/E ratio of 5.34, the company is currently undervalued, standing 61.96% below the sector median of 14.05. Mercedes-Benz Group receives excellent ratings for profitability, valuation, and revisions from Seeking Alpha dividend grades, making it a great pick for dividend income investors. Suncor Energy. Suncor Energy, a Canadian integrated oil and gas company founded in 1917, has a market capitalization of $39.27 billion. With a dividend yield of 5.16%, dividend growth rate of 8%, and EBIT growth rate of 11.64%, it is an attractive choice for dividend and growth investors. Its P/E ratio of 5.47 is 29.78% below the sector median of 7.79, further enhancing its appeal. The Seeking Alpha Quant ranking places the company at 2nd out of 17 in its industry, and 37th out of 247 in its sector. In this video, I have presented 10 companies that are attractive for investors due to their high dividend yield and growth rate, profitability, low payout ratio, strong competitive advantages, and fair valuation. These companies are among my top picks for high dividend yield stocks to invest in for April 2023. As always, it is important to be aware of the risks associated with stocks that do not trade on major U.S. exchanges. I would love to hear your thoughts on these picks.